turn this down. What's up, guys? What's up, gals? What is up, YouTube? Back at it again. This video is going to be about the OBS. I'm having a problem with charging system. My gauge, I'm not sure if my gauge is off or just not working properly, but it literally says at 10 on the gauge, and I know my work truck is the 98 extended cab 2500, and it stays up around 14. So this truck has always been like that since I've had it. I've had this truck for now about a year and a half, I think. The gauge has always been like that. So now I've put in output alternator and also a brand new battery. So I'm not sure it started like I just put the battery in. I put the alternator on a week or so ago, and then I just put the battery in 10 minutes ago. We're gonna go for a drive, and we're gonna keep the eye on the gauge here and see what happens. I know before the gauge would move as you know, like if you're cruising, the gauge is moving. But if you're sitting still, it would go down to about 10 is where it's at now. When I first started the truck, it was right at 14. Only updates on this truck really have been, I swapped out the headlights, and then I did the battery and the alternator thing. I am going to do the big 3, hopefully very, very, very soon when I get a little bit more money. But today we're just going to go for a cruise. Well, let's see what happens. I'm hoping the old battery I had was 4 years old this month. This is January 2023. See? Okay, see right now it just went up to 14, and now it's just slowly dropping back down to about 10. Maybe 10 and a half right now. So I hope I didn't purchase this battery for nothing. So let's take a drive, let's see. I was going to try to leave you guys there, but I don't think you're going to stand up over there. So we'll probably come back to you. We're going to get the measurements for the lowering kit. The truck, as we already know back in older videos, the truck already has I'm assuming the original owner or the guy I got the truck from said it was about a 2.4 drop. That's what we're basing this off of. But we're going to get some measurements. The DJM sends a little sheet for you to record everything, all your measurements before and after you do the lowering kit. So let's get the measurements on the truck now with the 2.4 drop. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure, but let's measure it out, and that way we'll have a base to go off of. So this is what the truck looks like before we put it's a 4.6 drop to start with, DJM's 4.6 drop. Right now, I believe this is a 2.4 drop that's on the truck now. That's what the previous owner thought it was. So let's measure it up and let's find out what our measurements are to start with. So let's get those measurements. is our sheet here that DJM sends us, and it's got this cool little thing you can write down your measurements. Okay, so this is our numbers here. Let's see if we can see that. We've got the front driver's is 30 inches. The passenger front is 29 3/4. And then we have the driver's rear is 31 1/8. And the passenger rear is 31 1/16. So we are 1/4 inch difference on the fronts. And then we are 1/16 of an inch difference on the rears. So there's the numbers for it. To start with, that's before we do the DJM 4.6 drop. Let's move back over to the truck and finish up. All right, so we got our measurements to start with for our base for our lowering kit, so we know where it's gonna sit from here. This is not factory suspension already. There is the front has a drop spindle on it and and coils, and then there's spacers in those coils. When we do our flip kit in the rear actually has hangers and shackles. So the rear, that's why I say 4 inch in the rear. One of the sides, I believe it's the driver's side, actually has somebody welded on the hanger to the frame. So that should be pretty fun. I've got the flip kit from DJM. So that's 6 inches, they say. And I'm gonna be running the hanger. So the rear will be technically an 8 inch. And then we're going to put the front, what they sent with our kit was upper and lower control arms, and then they sent us spring, coil spring. So we're going to put all of that on and see where we sit. I'm not going to be cutting off that hanger at the moment. So I'm going to be running a 6/8 drop on this truck. The only updates on the truck really are I replaced the alternator and the battery, like I said, and then I replaced the headlights. And I replaced the headlight bulbs. So I've got brand new headlights and low beams, LED low beams. And then everything else is just brand new. I went with the parking lights and the turn signals are actually clear. I need to swap those out. I need to also adjust the headlights because they're all kinds of wonky as well. That's going to take some fine tuning on those, but I'll show you guys the front end. This is the front end. It's got those lights that are kind of black in the background there. So he's kind of neat looking. I do like that little red and black Chevy bow tie. I think that really makes it look good. I'm thinking about going with a black grill, you guys. What do you guys think? Doing the black grill. Oh, I hate these. See, this is the crap you get when you get cheap eBay stuff. Cheap stuff. Yeah, see, it's got the condensation in the lights there. But yeah, what do you guys think? Thinking about going with a black grill because this one's broken. Right here where it mounts to this, it's broken. It's actually just screwed in there to that bottom piece. So thinking about going with a black grill. What you guys think? With the black handles and stuff. Maybe, I don't know, black wheels? I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave down in the comments what you guys think. What you would do. Black grill, black wheels maybe? See y'all, it's at driving that's showing about 14. So I'll show you when we get to slowing down what it's looking like. That's about where the gauge stays, y'all. At idle, really low. So I'm not really sure what's going on, what's happening. Like I said earlier, I do want to do the big 3. So maybe doing that very, very soon and see how that helps everything. Maybe y'all could throw some insight on what's going on. You can message me, leave a comment down below, message me on Facebook, nujayfab, nujayfabrications, Instagram, nunu_nujayfab. What do y'all think? What do y'all think it's those grounds? Thanks, you guys. Hope you like the little update video on the truck. I know it's not much, but we will be doing other videos of the truck. We got the lowering kit, or the lowering kit and the C-notch, the DJM lowering kit and C-notch all coming up in, will probably be several videos. So we've got that to look forward to, and we're starting to get back on some courier stuff as well. I know it's been a minute. I've had, I don't know how many people message me and say, hey man, what's going on with the courier? Are you still building it? Did you give up? Whatever. Where's your videos been at? And I am trying to work on some videos, y'all. It's just it's really hard. I have my focus is what videos I want to make, ideas for those videos and things like that. Just get all kinds of mixed up, and I'm not really sure where to start sometimes. But anyway, we will be back on some videos very, very soon. So look forward to those. I think that's going to do it for the video. For this video, we got the measurements for the, got that truck in the background. Ooh, yeah. How's that look? Got the measurements for the lowering kit for the OBS, the 96 OBS, for the DJM lowering kit. So I guess the next video you guys will see is we'll be doing the step notch, the baby notch in the rear, and starting on the lowering kit. Thank you guys for being here, and we will see you very soon in the next video.